Hey there.
Hey.
Well, it's pretty obvious why you're in such a good mood.
Oh yeah? I'm really that easy to read?
Well, I know I'd be happy to see the new TRP Technician Starter Kit.
No kidding. This is an amazing set of hand tools. They're ergonomically designed for comfort and also built strong to last in a busy tech's bay. These tools help a technician work efficiently and precisely in a modern shop setting.
One of the biggest complaints I hear from new technicians is that buying tools is expensive, and many of the kits have tools that they will never need.
This kit is perfect, as the contents were put together by a dealership. Whether they need a toolkit, a basic tools first certification class, or they need to move their career to the next level, this kit is perfect for the job. With a set of full matching professional grade tools, the TRP Technician Starter Kit can provide what they need at the right price.
I also like to remind veteran technicians that this is a great set of backup tools for a great price. I know we've all lost that 10mm socket 1,000 times while on the job.
I never thought of that. Is there anyone else who should know about this kit?
Yeah, I also like to let fleet owners know about the kit. It's perfect for throwing in the service truck, so mobile tech has a quality set of tools always handy.
Those are great ideas. Also, this kit has 30 plus tools made from high quality materials that can endure the wear and tear that comes with servicing heavy duty trucks. Every single hand tool comes with a lifetime replacement warranty and are stored in a 40-inch wide heavy duty roll cabinet with 7 drawers, and it also includes an 18-volt half-inch cordless impact.
Okay, I know we both could go on and on about the cool stuff with this toolkit, but now it's time to go unload the new shipment.
Really?
Yes, Matt. It's time to put the tools away.
You say so, but I'm coming back to this set later.